warm golden sun kisses the horizon, I find myself stepping onto the iconic pavement that lines the breathtaking Miami Beach. With every step on this Miami Beach walk, my heart sinks with the rhythm of the waves crashing gently onto the shore. I'm here to share this journey with you, and I invite you to subscribe to my channel for more travel vlogs. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment with your thoughts, and share this video with friends who crave the essence of Miami.
Let's go.
The energy here is palpable. A symphony of laughter, music, and the melodic murmur of conversations in a tapestry of languages. It's a celebration of life in its most vivid form. And as I walk, I'm enveloped by the spirit of diversity that defines Miami Beach. This outdoor fitness area in South Beach, Miami is widely renowned on social media, where high-level athletes engage in exercises with captivating and dramatic gestures. It's truly enjoyable to witness their impressive performances. Continuing my journey, I delve into the heart of South Beach. The scene is dynamic, people jogging, cycling, skating, and literally walking their dogs. The collective energy of this environment uplifts my spirits, making it a perfect day under the Miami sun.
Brought it to another state, the other state declined.
My Miami Beach walk leads me to the renowned Nikki Beach, known for its chic ambience and white sandy shores. The vibe here is exclusive yet welcoming, a slice of paradise that epitomizes the glamour of Miami. forward, I reach the South Point Park Pier, where the panoramic view takes my breath away. The serene waters stretch beyond the horizon, providing a picturesque backdrop to my Miami Beach walk. The famed South Point Park soon comes into view. Through my lens you can experience the lush greenery that provides a tranquil escape from the bustling city. Families are picnicking, children are lapping on the playground, and joggers pass by with a friendly nod. The park is a jewel of my Miami Beach walk, a place where nature and urban beauty coexist in harmony. As I continue my Miami Beach walk, the affluence of the area is unmistakable. Luxurious high-rises reflect the golden sunlight, standing as glittering monoliths against the clear blue sky. The opulence is as intoxicating as the salty sea breeze, and I can't help but feel a sense of elation. Walking on South Beach is amazing. I see lots of fancy boats, like a parking lot full of expensive yachts. It's never dull because there's always something beautiful to see. It's just wonderful, isn't it?
Yo voy a cantar esta canción, yo voy a cantar esta canción para mi gente. Con una pasión tan fuerte. Ay, 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 ay. Ahora sigo cantando y sigo gozando. Yo sigo cantando y sigo gozando.
As my Miami Beach walk nears its end, I make my way to the soft sand of the beach itself. I'm enjoying this beautiful scene with the pigeons. I pause to let the serenity wash over me. And as I do, the sky begins its breathtaking transformation. Hues of pink and orange paint a masterpiece above, a perfect backdrop for this idyllic setting. With the final shot of this stunning vista, I turn to you and say this has been an unforgettable Miami Beach walk. If you enjoyed this journey with me, please subscribe for more videos. Leave a comment to let me know what you loved about Miami Beach. Hit that like button if you felt the joy and beauty of this place as I did. And share this video so they can experience the magic of Miami Beach. The screen fades to black, but the invitation hangs in the air. Join me on this journey, become part of my adventure, and let's discover the world together. Bye now!